Charsi Karahi lovers unite. Baby goat Charsi Karahi recipe coming right up. I am making karahi with butter. Adding meat to the karahi. Add salt. Frying it until tender. Meat is nicely browned and fried. Now add tomatoes. Some green chilies. Adding black pepper. Now, let it cook for a bit and cover and cook on low. Let's take off the lid and see how it's doing. Now remove the tomato skin using tongs. Fry until soft. Now add cumin and coriander powder. Cook until the spices blend perfectly. Adding a pop of color with green chili, green coriander and ginger. Charsi Karahi is ready. Karahi perfection, must try this recipe.